Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Brand Kraft Bubble Mailers. Yeah, now what these are envelopes. Now this one is a 4 by 7 inch one, and what's cool about them is inside, it's not just a regular envelope. It's padded with bubble wrap on the inside. You can see that. Yeah, see, it has this bubble wrap on the inside that is very, very cushiony and makes it so whatever you're putting in here doesn't break or, get damaged. And this Duck brand, it really works very well. As far as, protecting the item. Now, what you would do is this part, you don't lick these, you just pull back the adhesive here, like that. And then this part closes, and you're ready to go. Okay, it sticks very well. Yeah, well, what I use these for most of the time, if I'm sending, like I said, things that are fragile. And the things that I send that are fragile are usually like, gifts, or like maybe jewelry, something that might be made of something that's not just a letter. It would have to be something that, is a kind of like an item that you purchased or something, and you just want to keep it nice without any problems happening to it. It works okay with things that are like, I wouldn't say glass, but kind of like fiberglass or plastic. Things like that are okay in here, but I wouldn't put like something that's straight up like glass in here. You can, but I don't think it's cushiony enough to keep that protected. It may. I've never given it a chance to actually do it, but the stuff that I did put in here, like one time I put a ornament in here that was made of plastic, and it was flat, and it was like around that big, and it had these swirls and everything around it that I sent to my mother over in Florida, and she was spending the Christmas season over there one season, and so I mailed it to her because she needed it for her tree. And it was fine. And I know the post office, they're not real careful with the mail. They're throwing things around, and they're not like trying to be like, real gentle and stuff like that. So it's good that they have these out there. And the Duck brand, it's a good brand. It really cushions the stuff, whatever you put in here, really well. And I've used these kind of envelopes and the Duck brand specifically for probably going on maybe about 4 years now. I've only seen these mailers in this basic yellow. They may have a white one, but I've only seen this basic yellow standard color. And I know these also come in different sizes. I particularly only really use the 4 by 7, but it comes in several different sizes, I'm pretty sure. I've seen it in 2 other sizes, I know for sure, but this is the only one that I pretty much use. And it conveniently has lines on it, so you can actually write out your address and the address that it's going to, which is pretty convenient. And it makes it so it's neat, and you have it looking like it's kind of uniform. So I like these a lot. These have been in my family for a while, and they're very good. The cushion, the bubble wrap that's on the inside is very sturdy. It's not, I've seen other brands of envelopes that bubble wrap that's on the inside is kind of seeming like it's kind of deflated, and some of the bubbles might have been, burst already. But no, these feel pretty solid, and these work. They're very good. I used them several times, and I'm very happy with them. Okay, well that is the Duck Brand Kraft Bubble Mailers. And this is the 4x7-inch one. Okay, I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.